All right, guys, check out this 31 Chevrolet Hot Rod. Check out that paint job. That's a custom, I'd call it a Chameleon paint job. Really, really pretty. Depending on which light you're looking at it in, it changes colors, as you can see as I'm walking around it here. Really, really cool. Steel body, glass fenders. It's got air conditioning, power steering. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes. The body is not chopped. Really, really cool build. It's got a lot of trick components on it. You can see there it's got the high center brake light, which is pretty cool. Power windows. It's got suicide doors. So steel body, glass fenders, steel hood, cowl, door, and then that's fiberglass. Electric fuel pump. Starts and drives and runs really nice. Got your radio up here. Let's see. Turn it off, but it is hooked up to the speakers. The dash matches the outside of the paint. Really, really nice upholstery work in here. Very comfortable. So the hood, there's a latch on each side to open it, pull it, and then you can lift it up. Check that out. That motor fits in there real nice. Really good running engine. You can see there you got your power steering, 1-wire alternator, air conditioning over there. You got your VIN number there on the firewall. Got a Mustang 2 style front end on coilovers. Awesome chassis work on this build. make sure to go to our website. We'll have a bunch of undercarriage pictures so you can see what we're working with under there. It's got a Ford 9-inch rear end in the back with a 4-link setup on coilovers. They did this right. They used some really nice components. And the paint job is just awesome. Everywhere you look, it looks a little bit different. There's a chip right there. The paint job is very, very good, but it's not perfect. None of them are. It's probably, I would say they put this car together 10 to 15 years ago was when it was completed. Still shows excellent. There's a bubble in the paint right there. Kind of see it. There you go, you can see it. The bubble there. Chip there. Bubble. Bubble. There's a few bubbles going down the side of this door. Right there. Fit is a little bit off on this side. It's not horrible, not perfect, still shows really nice. Go around, look at the other side. This side doesn't seem to be having as many of the bubble problems as the other. So another cool feature to this hot rod is the trunk works on an automatic opener. There's a window switch here in the back that you hit to open and close it, and it's pretty slick. Trunk is also finished. Got a trickle charger in there, batteries behind that, cover there. Close it. This is equipped with door poppers, so you got the passenger side here. Comes open. Beautiful, beautiful dash. Just awesome. So the driver's side popper does not work. It's too tight. You can hear it click. Just not enough to open the door. So you definitely would want to leave the windows down on this when you're outside of the car in case the other door popper fails. You'll want to be able to get into the car. So leave the window, at least one window down. I would feel a lot safer if it was my vehicle doing that. But if you're interested in this steel body 31 Chevrolet hot rod, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Be about 65, 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. You can see how nice the chassis work is under there. Again, it's a small block Chevy 350. Turbo 400 automatic transmission, Ford 9-inch rear end, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel, Englewood disc brakes, super slick Chameleon paint job. This is a showstopper. This was not a cheap build that somebody had done. A lot of quality components on this. So if you have any more questions, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.